During World War II, one sound struck terror into the hearts of soldiers and civilians: the scream of the Stuka dive bomber. The Junkers Ju-87, better known as the Stuka, was a German dive bomber known for its terrifying sound. As it dove towards its target, a wailing siren known as the Jericho trumpet would activate, creating a chilling noise designed to instill fear. The combination of the siren's scream and the destructive power of its bombs made the Stuka one of the scariest sights and sounds of World War II.